I'm logging into the Agency Express website. You're going to go to Order Options, Shopping List, and add whatever you want to the cart. So a lot of the times I'll get a case of these little milks. It tells you how many they are. So this 8-ounce pack of 18, that's a good size. So you put how many you want. You can maybe get like 5 of those. I never get anything that's cold or not small. A lot of canned goods, so like beef stew, chili. These instant oatmeals are good because you can open up the boxes and put individual packs of instant oatmeal. But you always just put how many you want over here, the quantity. And before you go to the next page, you're supposed to add to cart. Because if you don't add to cart before you go to the next page, it just deletes it. And then once you're ready to check out, you're going to do your pickup. You're going to pick the date that you want to go pick up and the time. And submit cart. And then that should give you a confirmation that your order will be ready whatever time you picked. And there's one other thing I forgot. If you wanted to shop while you're at the food bank, it gives you that as an option here. Actually, I don't see that anymore. They may not be allowing in-person shopping. They may just be having... Oh, here you go, shopping appointments. When you went and picked up the food, you could add 1 shopping appointment so that when you go, you can look around and see what they have that's not listed on the website. You just got to make sure you indicate that when you submit the cart here. But yeah, then just check out. Let me know if you need any help.